Welcome back to another video on this channel, and today we are going to do the installation and configuration of the DHCP. Now, in order for you to reach this stage, you'll have to watch the previous videos I've done to reach this stage. So to get started, make sure the Windows server is up on your VMs. So to get started, we are going to open the network settings. We're going to go to the Ethernet and change adapter options. To go into the network sharing, then change adapter settings. No, we're going to the Ethernet first, then the options, and we're going to make sure the default gateway is there, because as I said in previous episodes, these things tend to disappear once the system is restarted. So just make sure it's there, press OK, and we press close. We're closing off all of these different things, and then we are going to the server manager. We're going to add roles. We're going to click next, make sure the role base is there, click next, make sure we are connected to the server, press next, and then we're going to click DHCP server. Then you click and add features. Once you've done that, we press next. From here, we're making sure the group policies is installed. Then we press next again. This just gives you an overview of what the DHCP server is and what it's going to do, and it's telling you things to note. So once you've done that, next, and this is a section where it shows everything you have done, and then just press install. This will take a little while for everything to install, and that's fine. There's nothing to worry about it. Right, so once it's installed, we're going to click the complete DHCP. We're going to press next and use the following, and there you go, that's it. And you press close. Once you've done that, then we're going to the tools section and we're going to click DHCP. From here, this little tab will open and we have our server there. We're going to IPv4 once we have clicked it. As you can see, we can't add a new scope because that's what we're trying to do. What we have to do is click the little arrow next to the server name in order for us to actually get it. Click the arrow, then click the arrow again. There we go. Now we can add a new scope. You will have this installation menu. From here, you just put in a name, whatever you want. I just put Brendan Scope for the purpose of this video. Then you press next, and now we have to assign a start and end IP. So for the start, I went with 192.168.1.200, and for the end, we're going to 192.168.1.250, and that gives us that gives us a good bit. Then once you press next, we're going to start IP address, and this is the starting one, so 192.168.1.200, and then we have the end IP address is 192.168.1. .209, and that gives us 10 IPs to work with. Then here we're just going to click 4 days and then click next, and yes, I want to configure these options now. Click next, and this is to add an IP address for the router used by clients, and this is where we enter the IP address 192.168.0.1, and just make sure that this is the IP address that your router uses in order for this to work. My own uses .1. Once you've known and you've implemented it, just press add, and there you go, it's added to that router's default gateway. Just press next, then you have the parent domain, which is the brendan.com, and you press next again. You press next again. Yes, I want to activate scope now, and that's it, finished. So here you have successfully activated the scope for the DHCP. And there you go. That is all it is to install and configure the DHCP. Hope you guys enjoyed. In the next episode, we are going to do the installation and configuration of a VPN.